All right, welcome to Etransfer Me. My name is Shane, and I created this YouTube channel to help people learn how to be able to not only send e-transfer, but also how to receive e-transfer payments. And we'll go into a little bit of history in other videos, how it all works, and especially with this GoFundMe debacle that's going on right now. I think it's very important to know that there are alternatives. You can actually send money to people and it'll actually go into their bank account instantaneously. You don't need a middle person. So I think that's the way to go, is just to use Interact. And now with a partnership with MasterCard, you can actually transfer money internationally and all that kind of stuff. This is the way to go, in my humble opinion. I think it's so convenient. There's times where I'll be in a restaurant with my wife and my kids, and we're splitting the meal, and I'll pay, and then we'll leave, and then all of a sudden I get e-transfers from my kids saying, you don't have to pay for everything here. Here's 20 bucks, here's 10 bucks, here's 15 bucks, whatever. It's so easy, so easy. So let's just talk a little bit about international transactions. So just give me a sec here now. I will share this screen here. Let's talk about how to send money internationally. Right, so now adding Global Power, send an international money transfer from your Canadian account wherever you are in collaboration with MasterCard and Western Union. It's the same secure, easy to use Interact e-transfer service, only global. So Interact transfer by MasterCard and Interact. And the reason why I'm doing this, again, like I said, there are literally millions of searches on people wondering how to e-transfer money. So I thought, why not create a YouTube channel around that? And by coincidence, if Elon Musk, if you're watching this YouTube video, I am looking for investors. Maybe there's a way, maybe with you, Peter Thiel, maybe we can build some kind of an app where we can make this, the whole transferring of money a lot easier. Like I know with what's going on with GoFundMe and them hanging on to, I think it's like 10 million bucks, and they're threatening to give it to another charity. Like it's insanity. It's crazy. So anyways, let's talk about international transfer. How do you do it? So how do you send money with international transfer, MasterCard and Interact? You need your own account with National Bank. You need an active email address or mobile phone number. And to send, you just follow the instructions on the screen. Number one, log into your online mobile banking app and select the account. Number two, select send money international, and then select recipient's destination and banking information. And then step three, your request is sent to the recipient, and you should receive a notification via email, like instantaneously, when the funds have been sent. And then the funds are directly sent to the recipient's bank account. That's important to note. You don't have to wait days. It goes there right away. So I hope you like this video. I hope you find it fascinating. If you're interested in learning how to do more e-transfers, what the limits are, any of that kind of stuff, feel free to comment in the video and let me know. And I will make a video on how to do all that kind of stuff. So thanks for watching. Let me just stop this share. It's my first video. So if you like this kind of content, let me know. If there's anything you want to know about with Interact, let me know that as well in the comments. Thanks again, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now.